Click on the link below to get price. The Large Dehumidifier for Home is an impressive appliance that addresses the common issues associated with high humidity levels, making it a valuable addition to any household. With a sleek design, it fits seamlessly into various home decors while delivering powerful performance. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its continuous dehumidification capability, which effectively removes excess moisture from the air, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. The unit operates quietly, ensuring that it won't disrupt daily activities or sleep. This is particularly beneficial for homes with children or those sensitive to noise. The child lock feature is another significant advantage, providing peace of mind for parents. It prevents accidental adjustments by curious little hands, ensuring that the settings remain consistent for optimal performance. This thoughtful design element demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to safety and usability. The dehumidifier offers a robust capacity, capable of handling larger spaces with ease. It efficiently reduces humidity levels in basements, bathrooms, and living areas, maintaining a comfortable environment throughout the home. The adjustable humidity settings allow users to customize their preferences, ensuring maximum comfort. Additionally, the built-in digital display is user-friendly, making it easy to monitor humidity levels and adjust settings as needed. The unit also comes equipped with a large water tank that minimizes the need for frequent emptying, although it can be connected to a drain hose for continuous operation. Energy efficiency is another highlight of this dehumidifier. It operates with minimal power consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for those conscious of energy use and costs. Overall, this large dehumidifier for home excels in both performance and features, providing a reliable solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels. In conclusion, this dehumidifier combines functionality, safety, and user-friendliness, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. Its thoughtful design and robust performance make it a worthwhile addition to any home.